In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in your Hubspot account. Uploading files is a fundamental task you'll often need when managing your content or sharing resources through this platform. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, we need to visit the Hubspot website. Fire up your preferred web browser and type in the Hubspot URL to navigate to their homepage. Once there, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see the login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. It's probably the most familiar button you'll click on today. Next up, we're going to sign in. If you've set up your Hubspot account to use Google authentication, you'll find this process very straightforward. Simply click on the Sign in with Google option. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account from the list or enter your credentials if needed. Once you've selected or logged into your Google account, Hubspot will do the rest and bring you to your dashboard. Now let's head over to our content area where the magic happens. You'll need to find this in the main navigation menu, so look for the content section. Often it's nestled amidst various other tools, but once you're there, we can start focusing on file preparations. Once in the content area, your next task is to locate and click on the Files option. This is where you organize and manage all your uploaded files in Hubspot. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet, ready to house all your important documents, images, or resources. With the Files interface open, it's time to upload. You'll see a clear option labeled Upload Files. Clicking this button will open up a file selector dialog box on your computer. It's here that you can start browsing through your local folders, browse through your directories, just as you would when attaching a file to an email or moving files around on your computer. Once you've found the files you want to upload, select them and confirm your choices. It's really that simple. This process isn't just about putting the files into Hubspot, it's about making them accessible whenever and wherever you need them. Whether you're storing images for your marketing campaigns, documents for sharing with your team, or other resources, Hubspot's file section is designed to make your life easier. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your files into your Hubspot account, ready for use whenever you need them. Simple, right? By following these steps, you'll ensure your digital assets are right where you need them, right when you need them. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.